The following message was transmitted by the request of Denton Police Department. Locals there are attacking some zombies and they went to outside. However, the people have to stay on their shelter. If you don't, you will be killed. The facility there are trying to attack the zombies. This message was transmitted by the request of the National Guard. The message is trying to get the civil, and plus there's people trying killing the zombie. Billions of people are killing. All residents have to stay in the shelter for 12 to 14 days. Do not go outside for any reason. The following message is transmitted by the request of the government of United States. 6,000 killed by the zombies. Stay in your shelter. Bring a battery-powered radio for further updates and bring food and water. This message was requested by National Police. Police's SWAT FBI are trying to kill the zombies. United States are Wyoming, New Mexico, Texas, Arizona, Maine, Washington, Montana, North Carolina, South Carolina, North Dakota, South Dakota. However, they are getting the zombies. National Alert, National Alert. This message was transmitted by the FBI of Vian City. Persons are trying to kill the zombie. Don't go outside. This message is transmitted by the Denton Police Department. We are happy to inform you that you survived. You can get out of your shelter. But there will be destroying the damages of that happen.